Hi, I'm Alex Simon, ACCA's Government Relations Representative and PAC Manager. For more than 40 years, ACCA has been contractors' voice on regulatory and legislative issues affecting their businesses. The only thing that has changed in those 40 years is our voice is louder than ever, and we're having a bigger impact on issues that matter most to contractors. 2019 saw major initiatives move forward or go into effect. ACCA helped secure business-friendly overtime regulations and the extension of federal tax credits and have had a significant impact on promoting careers in the skilled trades. ACCA was the only contracting association fighting the Illicit Cash Act and advancing trade issues that saw burdensome tariffs lifted. We have also been the only contracting organization fighting for a pro-contractor national HFC phase-down. Recently, ACCA also helped secure the introduction of the Home Energy Savings Act in Congress. This ACCA legislative priority will extend residential efficiency tax credits through 2026, double the credits for HVAC systems, and require the systems to be installed according to ACCA standards. To help advance this legislation, ACCA member Jay Monger of XL Heating and Cooling testified on a panel in the U.S. Senate and educated policymakers about this contractor priority. ACCA remains hard at work to pass the American Innovation and Manufacturing Act, bipartisan legislation pending in Congress. This legislation would create a national hydrofluorocarbon, or HFC, refrigerant phase-down. It includes very important safety, training, and certification provisions that ACCA helped write. These provisions would provide for the safe introduction of next-generation refrigerants, which will include mildly flammable products. This legislation is important for contractors because it will create a national phase-down instead of a state-by-state approach led by California. A patchwork of state phase-downs will present numerous problems for contractors, and ACCA is leading the fight to stop this irresponsible approach to refrigerant regulations. ACCA has held more than 125 meetings with members of Congress to educate them about these issues. The other hot topic marking 2019 for the industry was workforce, and ACCA and our members were front and center. We all know that our industry is facing a shortage of skilled workers, and the level of support that this issue has previously seen is unacceptable. The Trump administration, however, has pushed it forward and made large investments in the trades. In July, ACCA's chairman Eric Knack, along with Louis Serrano, a technician from Isaac Heating and Air Conditioning, went to the White House to take the pledge to America's workers. They met with President Trump, Vice President Mike Pence, Miss Ivanka Trump, and many other officials to advance contractors' workforce priorities. On behalf of contractors, ACCA pledged to create more than 75,000 career and education opportunities in our industry. Since then, almost 50 ACCA members have taken the pledge and been recognized by the White House for their commitment to advance workforce development issues. In fact, ACCA members account for 10% of all companies who have joined the National Workforce Program led by Ivanka Trump. Working for our members on workforce issues didn't stop with a pledge. To help contractors have a bigger focus on workforce issues, we brought on a new staff member, Chris Zarnacki, to focus on these issues.
I'm excited to join the team as ACCA's Government Relations Representative and Coalitions Manager. One of the first things that I'm working on is President Trump's budget, which includes almost $900 million in additional funding for career and technical education, including grants on the state and national levels. We've already been meeting with members of Congress to discuss the critical need for this funding. We'll continue to be on Capitol Hill, fighting for this as well as other initiatives that increase funding and support for the skilled trades. There's a critical role for contractors to play in this as well. While taking the pledge to America's workers is a start, we need you to move to action when ACCA calls on you to reach out to your members of Congress. You need to act. The more contractors banding together with a common message creates a louder voice that is hard to ignore. ACCA will give you the resources to act then it is in your hands, so stay tuned for more information coming from ACCA.
2020 is shaping up to be another busy year on the government relations front, and ACCA is working for you. And we want to hear from you on the issues that are affecting your business.